This is a website that I made 2 weeks ago that literally took me 20 minutes to make, and now I'm seeing $6,000 a month on this affiliate program and well over $7,000 a month on this affiliate program over here as well. And what's great about this, you can go and make money on multiple affiliate products at the same time, and these specific affiliate products that I'm going to show you pay monthly passive income. So it's not a once-off commission for referring someone to this product. You actually get a monthly commission for lifetime, meaning this is a true passive way to actually build passive income with this, because your first month you can get 5 people, your next month you can get another 5 people, now you actually have 10 people paying you $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So it's very easy to scale with this. If you want to learn exactly how I did this so that you can replicate this too, make sure to watch this video until the end so that you can learn all my tips and secrets that I'm going to reveal in this video completely for free. I'm also going to do an epic giveaway in today's video. Down below in the description, I've left a couple of freebies to some courses that I've bought in the past that I'm now giving away to you on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get more freebies, more epic content that I make every single day on my channel, make sure to go and subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you an update and a notification to your phone when I upload my latest video. And also follow me on Instagram over here so that you can see some of my trading results. If you want to see some of my podcast content or ask me any personal questions, you're welcome to go and do that. And I mean, take a look at my dashboard over here. This is one of the affiliate programs that I've been using. I've gotten about 5,000 total leads and about 56 active leads from this. And I've made anywhere between, okay, there's also some euros as well. So I've made about, let's say, $8,200 on this affiliate program over here. So what I'll do is I'll just reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that, and that I do indeed, if I scroll down, that I do indeed earn from this affiliate program. There you can see this is refreshed. This is my other affiliate program where I've earned over $6,000 so far. So I'm going to reload this as well just to show you all this over here is not some kind of screenshot and actually live earning. So firstly, this affiliate program over here, I always like to explain this. If I come over to payment settings, pays via bank wire transfer. So it's paid directly to my bank. Same with this affiliate program over here. You click on get paid and it's connected to bank wire transfer. So it's always important to understand how to get paid, because it doesn't help getting paid all this kind of money if you don't actually know how to withdraw it. So it's important that I show you that so that you know how to actually get paid to your local currency so that you can actually withdraw this into cash. And the best way to go about this is if firstly you can come over to Google and you just want to go and search up a website called Capterra. You can go and click on capterra.co.za over here. I'm just going to show you multiple different ways to go and find affiliate products with this, but I'm going to show you my 3 that I've been using with this. Well, the 2 you saw I've got my best results from. So you can go and search anything. Just click on software categories over here on the top. You can go and use, there's thousands of different software programs that you can become an affiliate for. So let's, for example, go and do accounting. Over here, you've got FreshBooks. Let's go and use Zoho Books and Odoo over here. So let's go and search on Google, FreshBooks. We can go FreshBooks affiliate program. Click on enter and let's see if they have an affiliate program. Here you can see affiliate program for freshbooks.com, so you can actually make money referring people to FreshBooks. So this is one example that we can go and use. Now this works for any niche, it works for any kind of product. You just need to repeat what I'm going to do in this video to actually go and make money with this. So I mean, I'm not going to actually use this FreshBooks product, but I'm just showing you this Capterra program over here. If you want to go and choose any kind of product in a niche that you're passionate about, let's say you love app development, you can go and promote app design products. If you love, for example, audio and singing and editing, you can go and do audio editing over here and promote affiliate products in that niche. So this, I'm just telling you to think outside the box because this can apply with everything. Now, my passion is online entrepreneurship, building businesses, building funnels, building e-commerce stores. So my top 3 products that I'm going to use, I'm actually going to go through all of them with you. First one is builderall.com. I'm just going to open them up quickly and then go through them. Next one is Kartra.com, and the third one over here is ClickFunnels.com. I don't really like ClickFunnels that much, but they do have a decent affiliate program. So over here we've got builderall.com, which is an entire funnel builder in a box. They've got packages from $14 to $70 a month. You get 100% commission your first month and 30% every month thereafter. Same with Kartra over here, 40% commissions every single month on their plans page. Basically, similar sort of a tool to Builderall, just a great alternative. And then ClickFunnels as well, also a great funnel builder, all alternatives to each other. My favorite is Builderall and Kartra, as I've had the most and best performance off of those, and those are my earnings proof that I showed you in the beginning of this video. So all you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of each of these websites. You'll see each of them have over here an affiliate page for Builderall, and if you scroll down to the bottom of Kartra, affiliate program, same with ClickFunnels as well, at the bottom, affiliates page over here. And just open up all the affiliates page, go and sign up and go and grab your affiliate link. So ClickFunnels, you'll see some of the pages when you sign up will just need some information, basic information, name, email. Just click on start promoting now over here. And then I think you just need to go and sign up with some information, basically your name and email, and you can log into your affiliate account. With Kartra affiliates, you just need your first name, last name, email address, country code, and you click on keep me updated and it will send you to your dashboard. Same thing. Let me just come over to Builderall over here, affiliates. Here you can see if you scroll down, you want to come down to the bottom of the affiliates page over here. You can actually see a calculator of what you can earn. So I mean, if you can make 100 sales in a year and 5 of them become affiliates, and how many sales can they each make? Let's say 5. You can go and make $2,000 every single month of 100 people, literally in your first year. You could do more. Let's say you get to 1,000 people. That's now $22,000 a month, every single month, of just 1,000 people referred to this program. That's a lot of money. So you can see how you can scale with this. When you're ready to go and promote, scroll down, click on option number 2, Builderall Solo Affiliate, click on apply over here, enter this information, and you can go and get your affiliate link. So once you've got all 3 affiliate links, we need to quickly go and build a website. Basically like this. I'm going to show you how to import it. In fact, I'm actually going to make it for you and give it to you in this video. So if you want that, make sure to keep watching. And I'm going to create like kind of like a versus website. It will take me 2 minutes. I'm going to do it on the screen in front of you. And then you can actually, I'm going to give you a link where you can import that to your own account. So the tool that I use to build my website over here, like I showed you in the beginning, is actually builderall.com. So I've been using builderall.com to go and promote Builderall, Kartra, and ClickFunnels. But you can actually go and get this completely for free, as I have an affiliate link where you get this for free in your first month, which is this first link in the description. You'll see over here, along with signing up with Builderall for free, you also get over $1,000 in bonuses like a private group chat, high converting funnel templates, your own affiliate email templates, and a customized business strategy to follow. So this is some great value. You don't have to go and purchase this right off the bat. This is free your first month. You won't be charged immediately. You'll only be charged after your trial, but obviously you can go and cancel if you don't actually want to pay for Builderall. So this is the second link in the description if you want to go get to Builderall. Once you've logged in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Let me just come back to my dashboard over here quickly. It's going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. You want to click on the tools drop down over here. Go and click on Cheetah Website Builder, just click on enter, scroll down, click on create a new website, click choose from professional templates over here, and on this homepage that's loaded up over here, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down. It's quite a long way down. I'll show you now where it is. Over here, until you see the sales page structure. So you can also go and search it if you want to. It will be way quicker. Click on select this, click on save, and it will automatically build your website for you. And you just want to click on edit page over here so we can go and edit this page, as there's actually a lot of stuff we're going to delete off this page, as we don't need to add a lot of information to this page at all. It's actually really super simple. And remember, I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video as well. Once this is loaded, type over here for your title, just double click on the text, remove this top sentence, just type top 3 funnel builders, and you can type here that convert 50% of your visitors into lead without having to pay for copywriting. So over here you will see I just typed here how to actually get leads that convert. At the top of the page I typed limited time offers below, and then I just typed for the headline top 3 funnel builders that converts 50% of your visitors into leads without having to pay for copywriting. This sub headline over here we can actually delete. This video over here you want to delete as well. Delete that completely. Just move this entire section up like this. And then what you want to do is we want to go and look for this a section like this over here. So we can go and delete everything else except this section, and this section. It's going to make sense now. So let's just go and click on the red delete button over here, and you'll see this entire section will delete. This section as well, we want to go and delete. Click on delete. Same with this section as well. We're going to go and delete this section. And this is the 3 sections we want to keep. 1, 2, 3. Scroll down and we can delete everything else over here. So we can go and delete this one. Just click on the side and you'll see a big red like dustbin will pop up, and then this pop-up will ask you to delete. Just click on yes, delete. It'll take a couple of seconds. And then the last one we want to delete is, okay, all of this. So let's just go and delete this. I'm going to delete all of them and I'll show you when I'm all done with that. And once all the sections have been deleted except these 3 over here, your website will look something like this. So far, this is actually looking really good. And all we want to do is all these titles over here, we want to replace with our 3 affiliate products. That's Kartra, Builderall over here, and then ClickFunnels over here. So let's go and do that. We're going to go and edit our page. We just double click on the title. We're going to type here hashtag 1. Builderall. And then we can go type here number 2, hashtag 2 Kartra, and then number 3 over here. We can go type here hashtag 3 ClickFunnels. And as simple as this, we want to go and get literally a brief description of this product. So come back to the homepage of each and every one of these websites, Kartra, ClickFunnels, and Builderall. Builderall, so click on ClickFunnels. Builderall over here, we can go and copy this headline. We can go and use this on our website over here. Let's just open this back here. Double click the text and just paste this as is. And I just said, yeah, over 100 tools included. This picture over here, we just want to go and replace with a Builderall picture. So we can actually go and screenshot this little video over here. Click on, type on Paint on your PC. So it'll open up this little Paint editor. Just zoom in over here. You can go and highlight this little box like this. Click on crop, click on file, save as PNG, and save this to your PC. Let's just save this as number 1. And then come back to your page over here. Click on this image. Click on the pen over here and click on general settings, change image, select file on the top right, and go and upload the same screenshot that we just screenshotted on the Builderall page. Select it, click on save, and this is now complete. What you want to do is you just want to click on the dropout on the top right over here, so it opens up this menu. You just want to click on button, and you want to go and add a button to your page. Let's go use this yellow one over here. We can drag this onto our page here. We can kind of just centerize this over here. Click on edit element, click on headline, and you want to type here, get instant access. Then what you want to do is come over to your Builderall dashboard over here, click on affiliates over here on the affiliates tab. This is how you get this dashboard on your link, or the link in the description of this video. You want to click on Builderall Premium Funnels on the left over here. Scroll down and copy your affiliate link over here. So just click on copy, and we're going to go and set this button to our affiliate link. So let's click on set link and paste your URL over here and open in a new tab and click on select. And now this is set to your affiliate link. Same thing with Kartra over here. We're going to come back to the Kartra homepage. We can close this. We want to click on screenshot and screenshot this same little video. Click on paint. Screenshot this over here, just like this. You can use the crop tool, click on crop, click on file, save as, and we can save this as number 2. Come back to Builderall, click on this image, click on edit elements, exact same thing, just replace the image with the Kartra picture that we saved. So double click on Kartra, wait for this to upload, select it, click on save. This has now been updated. Now what you want to do is come over to the Kartra homepage, and we can go, for example, copy this little description over here. Copy, come back to Builderall, paste this over here. Just go enter to keep the same font, and then just remove this over here. Let's go back up, and perfect. Then we can go plus over 100 other features. And then we can go and copy this button over here. So we're just going to click on clone element. Drag this same button to the bottom below this text. That's your call to action. Just like that, make sure it's centerized. And again, you want to go and grab your Kartra affiliate link. So to do that, you're going to come over to the login page and log in with your account or the affiliate account. Click on My Affiliate Promos over here under the My Affiliate Promos tab. Click on My Link over here, the promotional link, and it will give you your affiliate link. Click on your affiliate link and copy your affiliate link over here. So let's click on, just highlight this, right click, copy, come back to your Builderall page, click on Get Instant Access, and click on Set Link over here. And replace this with your Kartra affiliate link over here and click on save. One more thing, ClickFunnels, so we can come back to the ClickFunnels page over here. Let's go and screenshot this, come over to Paint again, go and paste this here, and you want to go and crop this video as well. So just highlight this video, click on crop, click on file, save as to your PC. So hopefully you can start to see a trend over here. Let's save this as number 3. Come back to your Builderall page over here that we're busy designing, replace this image with the ClickFunnels image that we just saved. General settings, change image, select file, upload this ClickFunnels file over here, select it, click save, and there we go. For this description, we can copy this, for example, over here, and let's just go and paste this here. So let's double click this text, click enter, paste your text here, and this we just want to change the font to, I think it's Monster Tat, and we can make this a little bit bigger. Let's go and make this, for example, 18 or even 25. Perfect. So let's just go and remove this. We can move this up a bit over here, and this button again, click on clone element, drag this button down, and you want to put this in the center. You want to click on set link and set this to your affiliate link on your ClickFunnels dashboard. So I'm just going to put my affiliate link, which is a bit.ly link. So I put bit.ly /j/ClickFunnels. Click on select over here, and now your website is complete. As you can see, you've got your affiliate link to 3 of these programs over here. Click on save so we can go and publish our website live. Click on that's fine, and you'll see over here, just wait for 2 seconds, it will actually give you your public link to this page. It will pop up over here. So you can copy this link, right click, open link in new tab, or go to this link. And you'll see over here, our website has now been created. So if somebody comes to this page and clicks on build rule and clicks on get instant access, take a look at this. It's going to take me through to my affiliate link over here where they can go and watch this free video. Same with Kartra. If I click on this, it's going to take me through to build rule over here where they can watch the video. And same with Kartra over here where they can go and watch the video. And then I've created a little script for you guys. This you can go and use on Reddit, Quora, Facebook, anywhere that you can go and think of. You can even go and Google what are the best funnel builders. You can go over to forum websites and answer questions with this script over here. I had a similar question a few months ago, and I recently stumbled across this review website. You can see the best 3 funnel builder and email marketing tools over here. Then you want to copy the link to your review page that you've just created and paste this over here. Now what you can go and do is you can come over to Google and go and search what are the best funnel builder tools. Click on enter over here, and for example you will see email tool test over here. Here's another forum. Just open up a whole bunch of forums over here, and at the bottom you'll see over here you can actually scroll down and reply to discussions. So for example, all these people are like, thank you for this, I signed up for get responses, very helpful article. What you can go and do is you can go and copy your script over here. Just go highlight this, copy this, come over to this same response over here, click on join the discussion, and you can go and paste this over here and click on send. You can also come over to, for example, this website. Usually scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see you can go and post the comments. So same comment. I had a similar question a few months ago. Post your comments. Same with this little forum website over here at the bottom. You can go and leave a reply. Go and leave your reply. Same with this article over here, systeme.io. Okay, this one doesn't have a reply section, but you can go over to Quora, go respond on Quora. And once you've scaled and got some commissions going off of this, you can go and run ads on this website on Google, YouTube, Facebook, and get even more traffic and scale and make profits on the money you've made on the free strategy already. So there's so many different ways that you can go about this. But what I'll do is I've got an entire free traffic playlist for you guys on YouTube over here that I'm going to give to you. And this is my epic giveaway for you guys. And by the way, if you want this website, all you need to do is leave a like, comment down below that you're ready, and make sure you subscribe with a bell on, and I'll reply with the link for you guys to go and copy this website to your Builderall account. So make sure to go and do that. But if you want to get all the traffic methods possible, about 300 different free traffic methods, I've left an entire playlist on the screen over here. It's a big square click button. So I want you to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over here.